Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Appointlet versus Invoca. Invoca provides pricing plans for brands and agencies, contact centers and multi-location businesses, and for PPC marketers. All prices are individual. These pricing plans are Pro, Enterprise, and Elite. Invoca Features. Conversation intelligence. Get real-time insight into customer behavior and revenue performance with Invoca's industry-leading AI-powered conversation intelligence. Quality assurance and agent coaching. Improve close rates and reduce compliance risk by enhancing your QA process through automation. Integrations. Turn conversation data into automated actions with Invoca's extensive integration library, API, and webhooks. Appointlet pricing options. How much does Appointlet cost? What's the pricing structure? The Appointlet Premium plan is currently $10 a month. We also offer a 20% discount on all annual subscriptions. This brings the cost of your subscription down to $8. Appointlet Features. Share your meeting availability with a single link. Generate a link to your scheduling page so it's easy for people to book a time with you. Manage your existing meetings. Review scheduled meetings, take internal notes, and filter through your data with ease. Require advance notice for bookings. Prevent last-minute bookings so you have enough time to prepare for each meeting. And many more. Check the link in the description. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Appointlet and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.